Hey, good morning. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels, retired world bike tour, and I am eastbound on California 92, going over the San Mateo Bridge, and on this, get that thing set. This is Friday morning, the 25th or 26th of September 2025. And I am obviously in a motor vehicle for a quick trip to Missouri. I'll pick up my much better half at Lambert Field in a week or so. We are attending another function there, a family function. Okay. Get this thing balanced up here. On my, showing it through I've got it on one of those hangers from the windscreen. Going across, what is this? Where this is? This is San Francisco Bay. Okay, this is a toll bridge, but I have a toll pass that my son graciously installed for me. Okay, we got a little bit of construction here. Road work. Okay. Good. Looking good. The inbound traffic, that is traffic headed toward the Peninsula from the east, is pretty heavy. Yeah, it's all about the same, I guess. This is good. Let's check the mirrors. Don't have really good balance of how to do this cell phone thing here. But so far so good. It is a bit overcast as I head east, and my goal is to get to Interstate 80. I just stopped and refueled with some great Pachachay Peruvian coffee, and I will be posting some images of that later. Great, where Max is absolutely fantastic when they roast beans. Okay, love it. Okay, no. I am certainly not speeding. This is interesting, right? This is not too bad for a motor vehicle. As far as I know, there's no bicycle access on this road. Although it'd be great cycling, I mean, good breakdown lanes on both sides. Okay. Alameda County line. I've just crossed the line in Alameda County line. Howard. Very nice. This would be great cycling. Got fantastic breakdown and shoulder lanes there, but have a brand new, spanking brand new white no tagless T-shirt from Target. And the question is, how long before you'll get a coffee stain? Well, I guess that's the toll booth on the westbound side. So I'm not paying a toll. I may not have to go through a toll booth. It's just okay. I don't need to go in there at all. Following here. Good. I'll terminate this video shortly. Once I get across the bay completely. And I'm going to follow the road signs here. It's 680, I think. Interstate 680 or Interstate 580. Or 880, I forgot which, but it'll connect me to 80, and my goal is getting through Sacramento. Sacramento is the next large community I'll be coming to. So far, so good. This is great. Too bad no cycling on this. This would be an ideal cycling road. With the great breakdown lane and the broad shoulder. This is of interstate standards. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, that's it. Let's see. Industrial Boulevard. I cycled on that a couple of months ago. So that's it. Soy John Iberg, aka Whitney Dwyberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels retired World Bike Tour. My World on Wheels. And this is. I'm on 4 wheels, but this is great. It is Friday morning. I think it's the 25th of. 26, 25 or 26 September 2025. Que tengan buen día. Adiós.